What's going on, guys? So I'm about to head to the Type R meet right now. We usually have one like once a month, but this month's gonna be actually two. This one's out in Virginia, so it's a far drive. I think it's like 58 minutes. About to start driving on the road right now. Just made it to the Type R meet at this bowling alley, and it's supposed to be just Type R meet, but we got a couple other cars here, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Here's the Type R's. Got a black one here. This gray, I cannot get over this gray. Sonic Gray Pearl. Shit looks sick. And then we got the Rays. Got some Ray wheels on here. All black. Looks sick. This color. Oof. When that sun hits it, it looks immaculate. Sheesh. Right there in that middle, you just see that green pearl. Fully race car with all the stickers and everything. This is like the first thing I spotted. It has some Hoyers and there's some sticky tires, as you guys can see. Also, he full scented right here by the side skirt and then also on the fender. But hey, sometimes you just gotta send it. Right. See, it says Honda Racing HPD USR he got on there, Hoyer. And then when you get in here, he got the gloves on the ground, he got the fire extinguisher, and you can see the little GoPro mount. He got a cage. So this is a full cage, so it goes all the way to the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it goes all the way to the back into the ground. The spare is in the middle. It goes all the way to the top. You put like an extra rear view mirror in there, not the OEM one. And then you can see the cage actually goes by the door. You can actually see the glass from the window right there too. So it goes all the way from up there, all the way from the top pillar. You also cut that out. I know you guys can probably see the cut a little bit right here. And then you can also see the same thing as well on the other side. So full cage, fully gutted, no passenger seat, just a fire extinguisher. It looks like he got some stuff hooked up to the fuel pump and everything back here, and then he just kept the center armrest and everything, and then the shifter sits right there. He got the NRG detachable steering wheel, and he got some sparkles. Man, beautiful, full race car. And his exhaust, he only has a full straight pipe. He got like a little switch, like a kill switch. Man, you can see NRG. Man, this is sick. I've never seen like one of these fully gutted like this before. Even over here on this side, you can see like all the factory. Like this car is black. You can still see like a little spray of the black without the clear. All back here. He got some speakers back here still, so that's pretty neat. Damn, this is sick. Is it loud?
Yeah.
Super loud. See, he did the hood to get some ventilation for the turbo and everything. Speaker grill in the front. Right now we're setting up all the cars to go over to the side. That's pretty loud. That is freaking loud, but you can hear the turbos spooling when you sit on. Man, that thing is super loud. Yeah, that is loud. That's definitely loud. Ooh, you can hear the from the whistle. That is sick. You got two Boost Blues right here. And they got these similar diffusers. It's pretty sick. It has like shark fins. It sticks out like that. Looks sick. And then this guy, this one kind of like has a curve, as you guys can see. And then this one is more of like a flat. And this guy has an APR wing. Crazy. Crazy wing. Tails. Yep. Beautiful. If you guys didn't know, I didn't even know this car has sparkles in it. So it looks like a Smurf blue, some type of Smurf blue, but it got some crazy sparkles in it. I forgot what exhaust he has. I think he has the Fast Intentions. Is that what it is? Fast Intentions? I'll remember later and I'll let you guys know. But this is a full titanium exhaust. So later on I'm gonna hear it. All of these are 2020 Type R's. Man, that color is hot. Hot boy status. This guy has a splitter on his. With some rods. Stick out a little bit more. Man, that looks sick. Let's see what he got under the hood. So he got the PRL intake. He got this titanium inlet pipe with his R numbers. That's sick. That is sick. And right there you can see he has the downpipe ceramic coated. The hot side of the turbo is right here, and then the cold side sucks all the air in is right there. So pretty neat. This thing is clean. I believe he said this car only has 1,400 miles, full bolt-ons. Crazy. This guy wasted no time at all. Forget a warranty. But looks sick. I like it. So the other guy popped his hood. So there's the other one I was just looking at. Now here's the other one. Everyone is going full PRL. PRL intake, USR downpipe, PTP turbo blanket. I think he said he also had the hybrid shifter bushings as well. But beautiful. Beautiful. The turbo blanket definitely helps keep that heat down. Got the catch can as well.
It's a chill meet, and then late in the evening go find it.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's later on during the meet. Just made it. Well, been here for a little bit. A bunch of other art showed up. Just took some pictures. So we got 1 Boost Blue, 2 Champion Whites, 2 Rally Reds. Right there. We're actually 3. We got a couple other Champion Whites here. And we have the unique R. We're just gonna say that his is wrapped, but his is actually a Champion White. And we got some Asian blue. But today was definitely a sick turnout. And then this is a Sport. I know he has an upgraded turbo. He's making, I believe, around 300 horsepower, which is pretty good, especially for that size motor, the 1.5. But I like his gray wheels and bronze. It looks beautiful with these Brembo calipers. And it's like Smurf blue or Boost blue type color. And at the rears as well. Looks nice. Got the BM spec and the little spoiler back here. Looks nice. Locked out the side of the taillight. Got the OEM visors. Looks dope. Tinted side markers. And then he opened up all the grill pieces in the front, middle, side. Grill is right here. Extra piece here to go for the intake. And this in carbon. Looks aggressive. That looks sick. You have all R's over here. Jimmy's crazy R with the new hood. Looks sick. And then he also got a new wing. He had APR, now he has the BM spec. APR is more like curved, and this is more of like a flat, so it's gonna be a little bit less drag when you get up in there. When you get up there in the RPMs.
You have the LED lights underneath your foot lights?
So, this Jimmy's car fully wrapped. Looks amazing.
Are they from Honda or are they from Acura?
The Champion White. We got the scoop wrap and like this carbon. And he did the roof. Looks nice.
What does your boy have, the other guy?
We have my car. Stock. And another rally red. Rarely see red too. Peace sign up.
Next time, bro.
Alright, man. Be safe.
Time, man.
Beautiful color.
Thank you, yes, sir. Red all the way.
Red all the way. Yep. He's always at the meet in his beautiful rally red type R. Peace.
Alright, man. Take care, buddy.
Another Champion White one right here. And then this is the first 2020 Champion White type art that I've actually seen in person. And this guy watches the channel as well, so that is pretty dope. Damn, Jimmy. You gonna wake up the whole neighborhood. I only had it for like a week.
You said you have your downpipe, right?
Yep. He's been checking out some of the videos. So he's done a couple mods like the clear side markers. He did the Mugen covers right here for the door or protectors. He did the Mugen side mirrors as well. I also saw he did the little, I hope you guys can see, but probably can't see because of the reflection, but he did the little covers. There we go. He did the covers for the back of the seat. I'm definitely thinking about getting those, so if you have stuff back there, it doesn't mess up that seat because it's basically a cloth, so that gives it some extra protection from anything you carry back here. So that's pretty neat. And this is OEM by Honda, these little protectors for the back seat. And then this is the Boost Blue. He's about to leave right now, but I believe he only had his car for like a week. He already did full bolt-ons, inlet pipe, carbon fiber hood. He also has this splitter with the rods. It's good. 2020 Boost Blue, and he did the APR wing. I think that's Jimmy's old wing. So you could just see the difference of how this one kind of has like a curve compared to the other one. Yep. I think we only have like 3 boosted blues in this whole area, which is crazy. And I believe the production got cut short because of COVID, and they closed the factory early, so it's not going to be a lot of Boost Blues. It's going to be pretty unique. We rarely see reds. I think we have like two reds today, or most of the time you usually just see 2 reds, but crazy. Bronze wheels. All right, man. Got another Type R leaving. He has the black ray wheels on there. Nice, got some burbles, backfires. We got the 2020. It's nice. Alright guys, so I pulled up to the meet and you guys flooded me. A bunch of you guys heard my car and was like, dude, this thing sounds good. And I was over here revving it for everyone, talking to everybody, so I got caught up. But look at this thing right here.
Look at it on, like right, look black.
Thing looks sick.
That's where you see like the red and stuff.
So this whole look, it's carbon fibers, the EVS, looks sick.
That's just.
He got the Mugen
You got.
grill pieces,
Yeah.
and this hood scoop is different too. It's carbon fiber. He said it's
Honestly, the
APR,
hardest part was doing
so
that
it sticks up a little higher. It's very unique. It looks different. Sick.
You just gotta come out. You gotta take the box apart and some complaints behind
We got a bunch of carbon fiber pieces. Side mirrors are carbon. Titan wheels. 19s.
I know, I did it and I was like, man, that didn't come with it.
Side skirt is carbon, actual carbon.
I like it.
Even the rear.
I like it, but it's just like, you know, every time you get in, I gotta make sure my hands,
Shit.
my hands are clean. That's the only thing. And
It looks
I'm always
dope.
like worried that I mean, it's gonna get dirty eventually. So
And you got the wings
it's
as
just a pain in the
well.
ass.
Yeah, it usually gets like
Guys, this thing is beautiful with the Titans. It looks sick. We're about to leave out of here. Yo, those Titans look beautiful. And he got the sequence titanium exhaust. Sounds nice. Pretty quiet. It has like a little way where it goes in boost and it opens up. But damn, this blue is beautiful as well, man. The Type R, man, they did a killer job with the colors, everything, all the little unique parts and the engineering behind it. It's sick.